To fix a declined Venmo card, it is essential to understand why the decline occurred in the first place. The most common reasons for a Venmo card decline include insufficient funds, incorrect PIN or security code, expired or blocked card, and merchant or location restrictions. First, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. If your balance is low, add money to your Venmo account or use a different payment method. Next, verify that your card information is accurate, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. A single incorrect digit can cause the transaction to decline. If you have recently requested a new card or updated your card information, ensure that the changes have been processed and updated in your Venmo account. Additionally, some merchants or locations may not accept Venmo cards, so it is crucial to check with the merchant before making a purchase. To resolve the issue, go to the Venmo app, navigate to the Settings or Menu section, and select the Payment Methods option. From there, you can add, edit, or remove payment methods, including your Venmo card. If you are still experiencing issues, contact Venmo support directly for assistance, as they can provide more detailed information about the decline and help you resolve the problem. By following these steps and understanding the common reasons for a declined Venmo card, you can quickly and easily fix the issue and continue using your Venmo card for transactions. Remember to always monitor your account activity and keep your payment information up to date to avoid future declines.